Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Paytm account. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, make sure your phone is connected to the internet through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone to check that Paytm is installed. If Paytm is not installed, search for Paytm and install the official app by Paytm. After installation, tap the Paytm app icon to launch it. On the welcome screen, choose your language if you are asked. Tap the login button on the home screen of the app. Enter your mobile number that is linked to your Paytm account. Double-check the number to avoid login errors caused by a wrong digit. Tap Proceed or Continue to move to verification. Wait for the OTP screen to appear for mobile verification. Check your SMS inbox for the OTP message from Paytm. Type the OTP exactly as received, without extra spaces. If OTP auto-detection is enabled, allow the app to read the OTP for faster login. If the OTP does not arrive, tap Resend OTP and wait a few seconds. Make sure your phone has network signal and SMS reception is working. If you previously set a Paytm password, choose the option to log in with password. Enter your Paytm password carefully and keep it private. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions. If Paytm asks for permission requests, allow only what is necessary for login and security. When prompted, set up a screen lock like PIN, pattern, or biometric for account protection. If you use fingerprint or Face ID, enable it only on your personal device. Wait while Paytm verifies your details and signs you in. Once logged in, confirm your name or profile icon is visible on the home screen. Go to Profile or Settings to verify your mobile number and email are correct. If you see a security warning, update your app to the latest version immediately. Avoid logging in on public Wi-Fi and never share OTPs with anyone. If the app shows something went wrong, restart the app and try again after a minute. For repeated issues, use the Help and Support section inside Paytm to contact support. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.